Hi, this is Handy TF. Dishwasher leaks can be attributed to several causes. In this video, we will show you the 3 most common ones I have seen over the years. First, the dishwasher leaks when it starts filling water. Take off the lower kick panel, you should be able to see most leaks from the bottom. I flip the dishwasher over on its side, so can you see clearly all these clamps, clips and various connections. They have a way of working themselves loose over time, which is why it's a good idea to get in there and have a look around occasionally. If the leak is coming from one of these connections, you just need to tighten up. The supply line is the small hose, replace the hose if there is break. Here the leak is coming from the above. There is breakage in the inlet hose on the side, so we will replace it. Second, dishwasher leaks through front door during washing. A failing gasket seal along the edge of the appliances door is one of the most common reasons for dishwasher leaks. The gasket can crack and dry out over the years with continual use, and the gasket isn't creating a watertight seal anymore. The fix is to replace it. Hi, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. This will encourage me to make more free videos to help more people. Third, the dishwasher leaks during draining water. Drain hose is the larger one under the dishwasher. Again, look for loose connections and breakage in the hose. The drain line may be clogged where it connects to the disposal. You need to take it off and inspect. So far, we have shown you 3 most common leaks in the 3 stages: filling, washing and draining. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time. Handy TF.